Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Lady Steam here. I'm so happy to be able to share with you today Volume 2, Box 4 of the Box of Making. This box, we have themed light. It's fall. I have this thing about light and color in the fall. I just love the magic hour and all of the wonderful things in the fall. So I'm going to start with getting to share with you what's in your box. So I'll open the magic box. It starts with a thank you letter. There's actually at least one typo in this. Please forgive me. It's so busy. But do have a wonderful time. We've also got our second page that has a description of your products and the links to where all the videos are posted for you. And we trust you'll take a look at those. But now it's time to look in the box itself. And I want to tell you to be a little careful opening it. There is glass because we've got two really fun projects for you. The first of those projects is this lamp. I'm calling it the fall lamp. But obviously when you make it, you'll be able to make it bright and green and summery or light green and fresh, or you could make it beautiful fall colors as well, whatever works for you. If you're getting our bonus project this month, you're also getting this cute little tea light. This imagery on here is actually one of the very first pendant spoke patterns we used in one of our pendants, and I've used it on and off through all of the 10 years of Steamy Tech, so it's kind of fun to have it in a project again. So in your box, you will find a very big, very full bag. That's all of the parts of the lamp itself, as well as two separate pieces. You'll have a light bulb, and you will have a power cord base for your lamp. And we'll learn how to use that in the lamp assembly video. Be careful of that light bulb. It's wrapped in plastic, so hopefully if it got crushed for some reason, all of the glass stayed inside. Give us a ring if that happened, and we'll be happy to ship you a replacement bulb. You also have your rose window tea light kit if you are a bonus project person, and this is a cute little tea light that I'll show you how to glue together. Amazingly, this box doesn't have any hardware in it at all, except some hanging hardware for this. So there aren't any spare screws in this box because we didn't need them. But we did include a fun art supply. This is two different colors of wood stain. And we have a video about using wood stain. Rather than including a brush in this kit, I've just included a bunch of paper towels. Wood stain lays on really nicely with paper towels, and this is a gel stain, so you can squirt it onto your piece and then wipe it off. So if you want your tree fall lamp to be brown like a tree, then these colors will give you a chance to play with some of that. Now, in addition to that in our box, as always, we have pin test wood. You'll have a chance to play with testing the colors of the stain you've got, and sandpaper and super glue. As the projects go, we think you're going to have a wonderful time with them. Have a wonderful holiday season and enjoy these projects.